once again, Facebook, YouTube, whoever's gonna watch this, who knows. It's Keisha. St. Patrick's Day. Excuse me, I'm Irish. Anyway, just coming to say hey to everybody. I did have a video that wanted to upload on Sunday, but it wouldn't go through on Facebook or YouTube. So then when it finally loaded on YouTube, it said it was too long because it was 10 minutes. So go figure. I've watched things on there like 21 minutes. So I just wanted to come say hey to everybody. First day was hard, but seems like when you start doing stuff like this, you know, everything happens. Had 2 big cakes at work yesterday. It was crazy. But anyway, everything's well with me. I'm glad about to start, you know, settling down doing my work and stuff like that. Still working, so I've been going to work a lot. So I'm still trying to balance that work with school thing. So that's that. And happy St. Patrick's Day, and I gotta say happy birthday to Shannon, Chef Shannon on Facebook. Happy birthday, my little friend. Hope you have a good day and all that good stuff. So all is well. Y'all can hit me up on my email, birthday website, YouTube, or anything. And I miss y'all, so hit me up and leave me some comments. Nothing's really going on with me. Day 2. Cooking for lunch, dinner, and lunch tomorrow, so it'll already be prepared because I have some things that I need to do. So that's that. That's about it. You know, God's still working, and just pray for me. I need it. All right. So I love y'all. Shouts out to my people in Memphis. Shouts out to my people in chat, Atlanta, Carolina. Detroit. I got a cousin, Jeffrey Killebrew, but I have no idea where he is. I kind of forgot, but shout out to Jeffrey. That's about it, y'all. Send me some messages, emails, or whatever, all right? Love y'all. Peace.